guys, what's up? It's Em and welcome back to my channel. So today is day 2 of our Korea tour. We are heading to Nami Island at around 8 a.m. And then we are going to Seoul, Gangnam, and SM Town, COEX. And then after that is Dongdaemun. But the 4 of us will skip Dongdaemun because we are going to visit or watch day 2 concert of BTS at Jamshil Stadium, and we're going to finish the concert until the fireworks. So see you guys later. So this is the view of our hotel. Look at the view. Oh my god, it's 3 degrees outside right now and it's around 7:30 a.m. Super cold, it's 3 degrees.
착용 방법은 TV 영상 및 안내 포스터를 확인해 주시고
Andito kami sa ferry boat going to Nami Island. So cool. Philippine flag over there.
위에 좀 올라가 주세요.
So it's Sunday and maraming tao today, both locals and foreigners. So, and it's so cold. It's around 3 degrees kaninang mga 6 a.m. to 7, and it's 8:30. I know it's 9, almost 10 a.m. and it's still freaking cold. Around 7 degrees. Fall in love with Nami Island. Bye, Nami. 안녕.
It's delicious. Kimchi bitter. Please.
Annyeong. So this is the bathroom and may bathtub dito. And look, the bedroom, see-through. Ayan. Mas maganda yung hotel dito. Actually. And may bidet. So anyway, sliding door siya. There you go. And may there. We have, of course, yan, kettle, coffee, vault, safe, and our cute bed. Ayan. And especially the view. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Wow, diba?
I'm loving it here.
Yeah. And we will stay here until tomorrow night. We pray. And of course, the desk area. So, good night, guys. Kakagaling lang namin sa concert ng BTS.
If you're curious, ito yung update.
Yeah. Update of the nails. 2 na lang. And yeah.
Hopefully, makomplete niyo yung 4 days.
See you tomorrow at 7 a.m. breakfast. Bye! 안녕히 주무세요.
And cut.
I forgot the TV part. Good night.
ABS, CBS.
TV Plus. 다시 한번. 다시 한번.
I love it! 사랑해. Us at 12 midnight.
12 midnight, y'all. 안녕히 주무세요. For real.